Makhumalo was complaining why Macele accept Makwela because they have an agreement for not accepting the wife number 5, but Macele goes opposite to them. Macele chose Musamseleku's happiness over them. That's why Macele took her decision. She doesn't took their decision because the person who bring her in their marriage is Musamseleku. They have an agreement, the two of them. Macele doesn't care about Mangwawe and Musamseleku's agreement that Musamseleku promised Mangwawe that Mangwawe she should be the last wife. It's not her business. Even with Makhumalo, that Makhumalo was very angry why Macele accept Makwela because we are coming from the same place with Makwela. Sometimes it doesn't make any sense. It's their promises. If Musamseleku broke her promise, it's okay because the Macele doesn't have a problem on that. So Macele chose Musamseleku's decision than them. They want to control Musamseleku. At that time, Musamseleku bring them. He told them that I have got wives. Why they can't leave Musamseleku and say, I don't want to get married to a married man. When Makhumalo slogan on season 1, Makhumalo says polygamy chose here. If even Makwela polygamy chose here, you understand it. So Makhumalo, you have to understand now. Even at that time on season 8 at the ceremony, Makhumalo was asking Macele many questions. Why you invite him? People, the Dumas people in Musumbe, what. So Musamseleku sometimes doesn't have a strong hand when it comes to Musumbe. Musamseleku was supposed to tell his wives that Musumbe is his compound. He can do whatever he want to do with his compound. When Musamseleku always asking permission for them every time, that's why you become very weak. He doesn't have power even to bring Makwela. Makwela is struggling out there. Like maybe other boys, they can end up sleeping with her because Musamseleku doesn't have power to bring Makwela as his wife. Guys, you know that their life is on television. Most of the men, they saw Makwela, that they know that Makwela is not staying with Musamseleku. What is going to be happen? Because Makwela, she is still fresh. Musamseleku have to be strong sometimes to do something, not to be controlled with his wives. We know that sometimes he is wrong, but sometimes he wants to be too soft. Sometimes he can say, I want to have a permission. What? My wives, they don't give me a permission. When he bring Mangwabe and Makhumalo, he doesn't ask a permission to Macele. He doesn't have asked for a permission. Macele was right when she was asking Musamseleku why you can't bring the wife number 5. But when you bring other wives, you use powers. Macele doesn't want Mangwabe to stay in Musumbi. But Musamseleku use powers to say, if he is continuing to be soft, they are not going to stay together with Makwela. Musamseleku, when he is serious with Makwela, he have to use his power. I love Makhumalo so much, but when it comes to that decision, I think Makhumalo was wrong. Makhumalo was asking Macele questions that why you bring people in Musumbe, why Musamseleku don't do it in Sipak because it's Macele's compound. Makhumalo doesn't understand. Makhumalo have their own portion of compound in Musumbe. Mayeni have their own portion. Mangwabe their own portion. Musamseleku, because Musamseleku have a house. Musamseleku, he can do whatever he want to do because it's his compound. They forgot. You know that sometimes when Musamseleku, sometimes he was right. We can blame him. That when you bring someone at your home and you say feel free, and that person want to control you, they will end up want to control Musamseleku on his compound. And Macele respect Musamseleku's decision that she was not okay to stay with Musamseleku's wives, and she moved and go to stay in Sipak. But it's not means that Macele can't invite people to have a ceremony in Musumbi. They have to understand to respect that sometimes. And Musamseleku, the mistake he did at that day, He was not supposed to invite them to his ceremony if they don't want anything to do with Makwela.